Oi! Hello! You hear me? Yeah, you responding, boy? Yeah. The fire service here, boy. Hold on. Yeah, we hear him there. Hold on. You might full up with water, boy. If you can pull it somewhere here. Well, by the safest bet is to pull it out, you know.
How deep that water is, boy?
But that's the next thing we don't know.
I don't mind another.
What, you have to get a rope, boy. Don't go in there, so now. I'll have a rope there, boy. Look at this man willing to go in the water here, boy.
Let them pull it.
You don't want to pull it, let it pull it.
Pull that there, but you don't know how slush more or anything.
That's the next thing.
There, how you can't pull that. You know, all the
Where's your position inside there, boy? Where's your position? You squeeze or anything? Huh? So if I break the glass, you can get to come out? The glass break? See that?
Yeah, he talking. Give me stuff the cousin.
Yes, sir. My wallet here, dog.
Make sure.
In case I mean, see, I have on the seatbelt or something.
I feel the seatbelt.
Does you have on the seatbelt, dog?
Yeah, this is a very easy.
Huh? So how we stick?
Huh?
How the door jam against something? Voilà. Yo!
Okay,
listen to me, you have on the seatbelt?
No.
Alright.
But you don't want to go
It have any way that you can come out from here with the glass or anything down or up? You can't see?
And you don't want to open the door because you don't know how you trap that, boy.
Yeah.
Anywhere, listen to me good. Anywhere injured that you can't move, you could move. Right, if it...
Hey, he could move and think, man. Oh, that's something that I could break that glass?
But he said he can't move.
He said he could move.
He could move. Alright.
Oh, anything to break the glass?
The thing is, you don't want to break the glass because you don't know how he is now.
Well, right, well, that was asking him. He said he could move. He's not in no seatbelt, he's not injured. All he had to do is to get him out. The glass...
Something jamming the door or something.
The glass, well, if you break the glass, you can get him
But he
out.
said he can't see, so you don't know how to come out.
That's the thing. So, watch me. I'll give my rope there now. Let me get...
Just after Caroni, almost 2 o'clock in the morning, I went into the water. Cancel traffic, proceed with caution.